you all right?
Yes! Yes! I'm fine! I'm great! I could jog to Texas and back, but my daughter can't. She never could. I am so mad. I don't know what to do. I want to know why. I want to know why Shelby's life is over. How is that baby ever going to know how wonderful his mother was? How is he going to understand what she went through for him? I don't understand. Lord, I wish I could. No. It's not supposed to happen this way. I'm supposed to go first. I was always ready to go first. I can't stand this. I just want to hit someone until they feel as bad as I do. I just want to hit something and hit it hard.